Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna show you the new view options in the edit mode. The view key is used to see how a script table gets interpreted by the firing modes. This is really useful because you can see exactly if your script is scripted correctly for your planned purpose. You go to edit mode and view. You can either choose manual fire view or auto fire view. In manual fire view, the script gets interpreted by the manual fire mode. This is very useful because you can verify your programmed macros. You can see exactly where they start and where they end. So here the macro starts and here it ends. The order of the script lines are the same as they will be shot in sequential firing in manual fire mode. When choosing auto fire mode, the script gets interpreted by the auto fire mode. The order is the fire time, so the show time minus the pre-fire time. To jump, you can use the up and down key to jump each line one by one, or you can use the left and the right to jump 50 lines at once, back and forth. Thank you for watching. For more information and videos, check out our website pyrodigital.com. See you in the next episode. Bye!